What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. I am Trey, and today we're going to be making St. Louis smoked barbecue ribs. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, welcome back. So today I'm about to show y'all how I smoke my St. Louis style ribs. So first thing I did, I went to the store. I bought a spare rib, the whole rib. What I did when I came back home, I took it and I cut it St. Louis style. This is how they do it in the competitions. After that, went on the backside. They have a membrane. I went ahead and pulled that membrane off. Some people don't do it, some people do. If you leave it on there, try to score it to penetrate some flavor through. But I just went ahead and just removed the whole thing. So that's how I did mine. So some people, after that, they want to put a binder on it, which is what I'm going to do. Some people just go ahead and put it on there, just the seasoning or the rub. So I'm actually going to put a binder on there today because I like the way it tastes with the barbecue sauce. So I want to start on the back side. Go ahead and get you some mustard. You can use honey, butter, whatever. Mustard seems to work well. So we're just going to use mustard today. Do it like that. Go ahead and just rub it in there. And we're going to do the top side as well. All right, so after you got your binder on there, you want to go ahead and get your rub. So what I got right here is my homemade rub that I made. I will put the ingredients in the description. All it is paprika, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, and a little bit of sugar. You just mix all that equally, and I just went ahead and just put it in my own bottle. So that's what we're gonna roll with. All right, you want to go ahead and coat it. There we go. Nice and even. Normally go one way and then I go back the next way. After I do this, I don't touch it. I just flip it over. Don't try to rub it in, just flip it over. Go ahead and get your mustard or your binder, whatever you want to use. All right, then come back with your barbecue rub. They sell rub at the grocery store already made. If that's easier for you, just go ahead and purchase some. You know, it's personal choice. You can do whatever you want. I just like making my own. Some of these companies like to charge you $8, $9 for something you can spend $3 on. So I'm all about trying to save some money. And get the sides. There you go. Alright, so after it's coated, it should look something like this. After you go ahead and put your rub on there of your choice. Next step, we're going to the grill. Be right back. Alright, you guys, I got my pellet smoker at 275. We're going to place the ribs on for an hour, and then we're going to come back. That's all that is to it. This is the hottest part of your grill, so I try to get it over just a little bit more, and then we're going to rotate. But that's all that is to it. See you in an hour.
A few minutes later.
All right, you guys, my timer went off for an hour, so we're going to go ahead and check on the ribs, see what they're looking like. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Got that rub sticking on there real good. All right, at this point, you want to moisten your ribs. So some people spray it with butter. You can use apple cider vinegar. You can use apple juice, whatever you want to spray on there to moisten it up. I'm going to use the barbecue sauce that I made in my video to put on here just to moisten it up some. And that's just how we're going to do it. There we go. All right, and we're gonna close this up. We're gonna leave it on here for another hour. See you in a little bit. All right, you guys, the timer went off for another hour. We'll see what we're looking like. There we go, got beautiful color on there. At this point, we're gonna go ahead and take it off the smoker. We're gonna get it in the house. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, and I'll hit you right back. Sheets of aluminum foil. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Before you wrap it up, what I normally like to do, I like to go ahead and get me a little bit of butter. Go ahead and place that on there. I already got these cut. And I like to take some brown sugar. Sprinkle some of that on there. Oh yeah. That should be enough. And I like to put a little bit of honey on there as well. All right, you want to take your rib and you want to lay it meat side down. Just like that right there. So, I like to take my first piece, go ahead and get it up. You're going to want to seal these up like so. Also, you can add a little apple juice, apple cider vinegar, whatever you want. Once again, I'm going to use my barbecue sauce. Just put that in here because it's going to steam up in here. Oh yeah, man, these going to come out amazing. All right, that should be enough. Okay, so you want to finish wrapping them up. Do the same thing for your second one. There it is. We're gonna take it, put it back on the smoker. See you in a minute. All right, all you gotta do, open it up, place it right there in the middle. Cover up. We're gonna leave it in here for an hour, and we're gonna check on it. Probably end up pulling it out, putting some barbecue sauce on there, and then putting it back on the smoker for about 15 minutes. All right. Okay, I done took them off the grill. Let's see what they look like. It's been an hour. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. See the bone exposed right here. So I got a pan over here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna flip it over, put it on this pan, put some barbecue sauce on it. We're gonna put it back on the pellet smoker for about 15 minutes. And after that, it's gonna be time to eat. All right. All right, I got it on this pan right here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and brush some barbecue sauce on there. You can put whatever you want on there. Today, I'm just gonna use Sweet Baby Ray's because that's what I got on hand today. But you can put whatever you want on there. It ain't gonna matter. Honestly, you can leave it like this and eat it like this, but I want barbecue sauce on mine, so I'm gonna go ahead and coat it. So take your barbecue sauce, just brush it on there. gotta do. And I'm only gonna do the top side. And that's pretty much it, man. We're gonna take this, put this in here on this pellet smoker about 15 minutes. After that, it's gonna be time to eat. Alright, y'all, it's been 15 minutes. Let's see what these looking like. Man, look at them ribs. Oh yeah, perfect color. Exactly what I'm looking for. Man, let's get this off the smoker, put it on the cutting board. Man. There we go, y'all. Fresh off the smoker. That's what they look like when they done. Perfectly cooked. Smoked ribs. Went to cut these, man, the bone fell out. That's how tender they are. But that's all it is to it, man. Smoked ribs. Look at that right there. Bam. So total cook time took about 3 hours and 20 minutes or so. But that's all it is to it. Appreciate it. Thank you. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you want me to cook next. I'll holler at you.